Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're featuring the Nuna PIPA Lite LX infant car seat. This car seat has a few added features that elevate it above the Nuna PIPA Lite. We're going to talk about it today. The Nuna PIPA Lite LX weighs 5.7 pounds, which is just barely heavier than the PIPA Lite. It can fit babies from 4 to 32 pounds and up to 32 inches tall. It comes in a few different color options: granite, caviar, birch, frost, and Oxford, and has either a black or brown leatherette accented carry handle depending on the color you choose. The fabrics are made of merino wool and tencel lyocell fiber blend. It has a removable UPF 50+ canopy with a flip out eye shade. It also has a dream drape that zips out of the canopy and has magnets to attach to the front of the car seat. It has a removable infant insert for added comfort and safety. This car seat is commercial airplane certified when used with its base and is naturally flame retardant, so there are no added chemicals. The shell of the seat contains EPP foam, which is ultra lightweight, and it protects your baby in the event of a crash by absorbing and diffusing energy. Lastly, it connects with all Nuna strollers to create a convenient travel system. It's important to note that the Nuna PIPA Lite LX cannot be installed with just the seatbelt. You have to have the included base. And here are some of the great features about that base. It has a rigid latch system to install the base to your vehicle seat. It also has a 2-section extending load leg for extra stability and safety. It has bubble level indicators on both sides of the base to make sure the car seat is at the correct angle. If you need an additional recline, there's a flip foot at the back of the base. Now we'll show you how to install the Nuna PIPA Lite LX. To use the base with the latch system, start off by pulling the stability leg out from the bottom. Check the bubble indicator, ensuring that the bubble is touching the black line for the correct recline. If it's not, make sure to pull the flip foot out from the bottom of the base. Rotate the rigid lower anchors out from the storage section of the base and attach the connectors to the vehicle seat until the indicators turn from red to green. Extend the load leg to the floor of the car until it locks and the indicator turns from red to green. Now you're good to go. If you want to install the base with the vehicle seatbelt, instead, squeeze the buttons on the rigid lower anchor, pull them out, and rotate them back to their storage position. Now open up the seatbelt lock-off. You'll see the belt path marked in blue, so from here, pull out the vehicle seatbelt and route it through those markers. Buckle the seatbelt. Make sure to route the shoulder belt back through the belt lock-off, pulling out all of the slack, and close it. Don't hesitate to lock the seatbelt itself and check your installation to make sure things are smooth. Now you can attach the Nuna PIPA by simply placing it onto the base until it locks. Once you've arrived at your destination and need to take the car seat out, simply squeeze the release button at the front of the base and lift the car seat off. We love the base because it's super easy to install and you can just install it once and not have to do it over and over and over again. We really recommend the Nuna PIPA Lite LX because Nuna has not compromised on safety, and they've made it really convenient because it's a lightweight, easy to install car seat. Thanks for watching. If you want to shop the Nuna PIPA Lite LX or any other Nuna car seats, go to babycubby.com. We offer free shipping on orders of over $25. If you want to learn more about the Nuna PIPA RX, click here, and remember to like and subscribe. If there are any products that you want to learn more about, comment below. Thanks so much.